Welcome to this video about LeadsGO. In this session, I'm going to walk you through the ACT functionality of the LeadsGO mobile application. My name is Hans-Petter Dramstad and I'm the founder of LeadsGO. So as you can see here, I fired up the LeadsGO mobile application and it works as mentioned in some other videos on both Apple and Android phones. To enable ACT, it has to be done on the account level or the company. So there is a flag that needs to be set in order to enable ACT functionality. And when that is enabled, you can go to Leads. And then at the bottom here, you see that there are two choices. You can either by default look at collector leads. That means the leads that you have created yourself and want to follow up, or the ACT leads. And the ACT leads are the leads that are assigned to you, either for qualification or for sales. So here I have 16 leads that are assigned to me. The first one is in a sales process, the second is in a qualification process, and then you have a few more on sales process and some qualification, etc. So what you can do with this is that same as for collector, you can filter it on these statuses, both on date and statuses. Or you can just click on the lead that you want to work with. And then depending if it's shared for sales or shared for qualification, you can work with that lead. So I decided to open a lead that is shared for qualification. And at the bottom here, you see the three actions that you can take on this. You can either provide some feedback to the administrators of the system or the leads coordinator. And that is the feedback functionality, where you can enter some text and you can choose a number of actions that you recommend. You don't set them, but you recommend them. Here you say that you will qualify the lead, you will start the process with a customer, have started process with customer, not interesting, drop, already in process, drop, etc., etc. So here you basically give some textual feedback and select an action that you recommend for this given lead. The send functionality is about sending a copy of that lead and all its information to your email address. So you click on send and press yes, and then you will receive an email on your user email account with information about that lead. And then the last one is about editing the lead. And the edit the lead varies between the leads that have shared for qualification, and we'll later look at the ones that are shared for sales. So this is shared for qualification, and here you see that qualify is selected as a status, and you can change that for sales. You can drop it, you can close it with a loss or with a win. And here you can add information about the possibility or the likelihood of success. You can enter the value of this lead, and you can add some notes, some free text notes about the lead. And when done, you can just press submit, and this will actually update the lead itself. If we then go back to the lead list, and we can open one lead that is shared for sales, you see that the feedback functionality is not available for that. You can send it, that we just showed on the shared for qualification, and you can edit. And here you see that there are less functionality available. So here you can either drop, you can close it with a loss, or you can close it with a win, and then you can add a note, a closure note for that sales, and then submit it. So that's basically it. And in summary, you enable or set a flag on the account or the company level, and that opens up for ACT functionality. It will show up as a choice in the leads list, and here you can edit, you can send it, or you can provide feedback for that lead. So thanks for listening, and good luck with LeadsGO also as an ACT functionality. Thank you.